How to transfer Viber to a new phone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up Viber. Now tap on three dots. Now scroll down and click. Now tap on settings. Now tap on account and click on Viber backup. Now tap on settings and select your account. Now tap on continue. Now enable this toggle, include photos and videos. Now tap on backup now. Now wait for some. After the backup is complete, open up Viber in the new device. Now tap on start now. Enter your phone number. Now click on continue. Now verify the phone number. Now enter your name. Tap on next. Now tap on three dots. Now click on settings. Tap on account and tap on Viber backup. Now tap on settings. Now tap on permissions and click on contacts. Now select allow and go back. Again tap on settings and select your Google account. Tap on OK. Now tap on restore. Click on restore. And that's it. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.